Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, I have this table and I want to find the product name by using product ID. So for that I can use the VLOOKUP function. So you just have to select the box, type here equal to sign, and we need to type here now VLOOKUP. Once you type that, just add a bracket, and now we need to give them that value of which we need to find the value of. So I am finding the product of this product ID, so I just need to type this value right here. Once you do that, add comma, then we need to give them a range for lookup. So you can just select all the table or you can just give them a specific range, but I am going to select all the table. Once you do that, just add a comma. Now we give them a column number. So this is column number 1, this is column number 2, and so on. So I'm finding the product name, so my value is located right on this column, so I can just type here 2 because this is column number 2. Once you add the column number, just we have to again type comma, and here we need to type either true or false. True is for approximate match and false is for exact match. So we want exact match, so I'm gonna type here false. Once you type that, complete your bracket and hit enter, and boom, there you go, we have find the product name by using product ID. And it is that simple to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel, I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.